All right, here we go. There we go, right there. Get that little thing. Oh, good God. Should I edit that out or should I keep that in? That's the note to Jasper, direct yourself. All right, so now you see how dangerous it is to do these videos. Wow. Okay, here we go. All right, let's do this. Yeah, it's hard to recover from that, so I'm just gonna get into it. What's up, fam? Thanks for tuning in once again to this channel where you can see some of my journey. All right, let's Jesus. Take two. Here we go. What's up, fam? Thanks for tuning in once again to this channel. As you see, yeah, it's gonna be hard to recover from that one. So let me just stop it and come back. What's up, fam? Thanks for tuning in once again to this channel. I got some skins, guys, from my DJI Mavic Air 2. I wanted to try to do this as an unboxing video, but it didn't pan out that way. This is why it didn't pan out that way, is because it came in this envelope right here, kind of like this, and I didn't know what it was. I thought it was something else. So when I opened it up and I saw that it was the skins and the wraps, I then couldn't, I guess, give you guys the real experience of me getting it out of the mail and opening it up on camera. So sorry, but at the end of the day, guys, you guys get to see me put the skins on the drone, and I got the whole footage. It took me about 3 hours. Now, advisory to you guys is the fact that it's advised to use a hair blow dryer or even a shrink wrap blow dryer to kind of help the process go a little faster. As a matter of fact, in the description of this video, I actually do have a list of things that you can purchase. They're all not that expensive, but you could purchase to kind of help you through this process. If you have a regular hair blow dryer, guys, you don't have to get that blow dryer. It's just, I would recommend it because it's just like doing tinted windows or shrink wrap. If you have that blow dryer, it kind of helps with getting out the bubbles and helps the vinyl kind of expand a little bit, so you can get a little bit more out of it. But I'm gonna stop talking, guys. Let's get into this video. You can see exactly the entire process. It came out really good at the Just FYI, the store does have a layout for the wraps, and I just went ahead, took the liberty, and added the link to the instructions because I ended up being a regular guy and not reading the instructions thoroughly enough. So I did make a little snafu of a mistake there, but it wasn't too bad of a failure to figure out. But if you're watching this and you are going to purchase your skin wraps from that store, the link to the instructions are in the description of this video as well. Thought I'd share that guys with you. So another cool thing I thought I'd show you guys is that they give you 3 battery wraps. So you get a wrap that goes to the battery that came with the drone. Once after that, you have 2 left. So thought I'd share that with you guys. This is actually the little part that goes on the wrap. I mean, on the actual battery indicator. Me personally, I didn't put it on there because I thought it was going to cover up the lights on the battery, but I just realized that it actually has 4 little pinholes on it. So I'm actually going to put that on after this video for sure. So yeah, thought I'd share that with you guys. Alright guys, as you can see, it did come out pretty well. It could have came out slightly better. I'm not complaining, but I didn't have a blow dryer, like I said, so I had to literally do it with my hand, with my thumbs and stuff like that. And as you can see, I even had a lighter here and there to stretch it out on the really meticulous spots. Give me some comments in the comment box. Tell me what you thought. You know, if there was anything you think I could have done slightly better on the wrap, let me know, and we'll go from there. But hopefully you did like this video overall. If you did like this video, just definitely hit that like button for me, and definitely hit the subscribe button and notification bell, because there's some great things coming down the line, and I want you guys to be a part of it. So until next time guys, stay tuned for greatness.